Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue. So, let's get started. Close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. You will see all open apps. Swipe up on the apps to close them. Turn off background. App refresh. Apps updating in the background can make the phone warm. Open settings. Tap General. Select Background App Refresh. Turn it off or allow only important apps. Turn on low power mode. Low power mode reduces system activity and helps cool the device. Go to Settings. Tap Battery. Turn low power mode on. Lower screen brightness. Open Settings. Tap Display and Brightness. Reduce the brightness slider. Update iOS. Go to Settings. Tap General. Select Software Update. Install any available update. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button plus volume button. Slide to power off. Turn the phone back on after a few seconds. This will fix the iPhone overheating issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.